హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు హస్మైకా స్టాక్. గ్రామ వార్డు సచివాలయ పరీక్షలలోని డిజిటల్ అసిస్టెంట్కి ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యే వారి కొరకు వేవ్ ప్రోపగేషన్ అనే టాపిక్ నుండి కొన్ని ఇంపార్టెంట్ బిట్స్ చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ బిట్, వేవ్ propagation is any of the ways in which waves travel with respect to the direction of the oscillation relative to the propagation direction. Next bit, what are the types of wave propagation? Three types: ground wave propagation, sky wave propagation, and space wave propagation. Next bit, ground wave propagation is ground waves are very useful to propagate at low frequencies below about 2 MHz. Ground waves are very useful to propagate at low frequencies below about 2 MHz. Next bit, ground wave propagation is also called as surface wave propagation. Next bit, sky waves are possible for long distance communication because of reflection and refraction. Next bit, sky wave propagation is also called as ionospheric wave propagation. Next bit, space wave propagation is the radio waves having high frequencies. Next bit, space wave propagation is also called as tropospheric propagation. Next bit, which layer has the atmospheric conditions exactly opposite to that of standard atmosphere? Inversion layer. On which factors of Earth does the magnitude of tilt angle depends in surface wave? Permittivity and conductivity. Next bit, for avoiding ground losses, better is the surface conductivity, less is the attenuation. Next bit, the portion of high frequency radiation which is directly affected by the surface of the Earth is called ground wave. Next bit, which an EM wave travels from transmitter to receiver, which factors affects the propagation level? Which an electromagnetic wave travels from transmitter to receiver, which factors affects the propagation level? Curvature of Earth, roughness of Earth, and magnetic field of Earth. Next bit, a line of sight transmission between two stations uses mainly ground wave. Next bit, the mechanism behind electromagnetic wave propagation cannot be attributed to sectoring. Next bit, the propagation model that estimates radio coverage of a transmitter is called large scale propagation model. Next bit, small scale propagation model is also known as fading model. Next bit, which type of antenna radiates power with unit gain uniformly in all directions? Isotropic antenna. Next bit, EIRP stands for EIRP stands for effective isotropic radiated power. Next bit. For long distance propagation, the radiation angle of energy from the antenna should be. For long distance propagation, the radiation angle of energy from the antenna should be less than 30 degrees. Next bit. The position of the E layer in the ionosphere is. The position of the E layer in the ionosphere is below the F layer. Next bit. The distance from the far end of the ground wave to the nearest point where the sky wave returns to the earth is called. The distance from the far end of the ground wave to the nearest point where the sky wave returns to the earth is called skip zone. Next bit. VHF and UHF bands are frequently used for. VHF and UHF bands are frequently used for satellite communication. Next bit. The skip distance of a sky wave will be greatest when. The skip distance of a sky wave will be greatest when the angle of radiation is smallest. Next bit. Regular changes in the ionosphere occur approximately. Regular changes in the ionosphere occur approximately every 11 years. Next bit. Ideal antenna is called. Ideal antenna is called isotropic antenna. Next bit. Relation between wavelength and carrier frequency is. Relation between wavelength and carrier frequency is lambda equal to C by F, where lambda is the wavelength. Next bit. The speed of radio wave in free space is. The speed of radio wave in free space is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Next bit. The horizon of the earth is given by. The horizon of the earth is given by 3.57 into root ht plus root hr kilometers. Next bit. The critical frequency is. The critical frequency is Fc equal to 9 root n maximum. Next bit. The relation between critical frequency and maximum usable frequency is. The relation between critical frequency and maximum usable frequency is FMUF equal to FC into secant theta I. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.